How to make a watermark for YouTube videos in Canva. Now, if you want to make a watermark for YouTube videos on Canva, watermark as in if you go to your channel settings under customization, you have the normal banner, the picture, but if you scroll down, there will be something called video watermark, which you can choose to display on the throughout the entire video or throughout the end of video. And this could be anything. This could be a subscribe logo, this could be your channel logo, whatever else it is you prefer. So to create this on Canva, we have to simply choose a resolution of 1080 by 1080 pixels. So you go to custom size, width also you type in 1080, height also 1080, and unit is pixels, by the way. So click on the create new design from there. Now you can simply type whatever you want here, right? So it could be a subscribe element if you want. So you can go to the subscribe element, choose a certain box and in a PNG format like this. And maybe you want your channel logo. So you can also go to uploads, click on upload file and go to your certain photos and then basically choose a channel logo over here as well. So once you go ahead and choose a channel logo or whatever else it is you prefer, right? So let me choose a certain one. So once I've done this, let's say this is the logo that I want it to appear. I'll just make sure that it fits perfectly well within this certain area. And once I've done that, you can choose a background if you want to upload in a opaque background, but you can also download in the PNG background, which is without this particular white space, by clicking on share and selecting this option called download, selecting PNG and selecting the option called transparent background if you have got premium, and hit the download button. Once you've downloaded this, now you can come back to Canva and choose to upload the new banner. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.